Achuko, who give you the right to eat the food when my younger sister keep for me? She tell me, say, auntie, if you finish what you dey do, the food when they kitchen for that with 3 big meat na your own. Achuko, you no fear. You carry your 2 cockroach leg enter kitchen. Chop the food, sit down here, they picked it. You go for me that food.
Which food? Which food? Because of one sister-in-law for this house, make her not show for my own house again.
Achuko, just look at yourself from head to toe. You know the shame. Not be you they say be senior picking. They say now you be senior picking. Abia. As you be senior now, you dey do your duty. You know they ask yourself question. All you do in this house is to sit down. Your small brother will be solo. Now they do all the work, they labor, they feed you. And you dey chop and that cause you dey chop so.
Come, you don't get lost, say nobody there to raise me. Dirty slap man for
sit down for there when you want to give dirty slap.
I mean,
if you not for me that food there, I go beat you waiting not good for you.
Oh yeah, go
I go tear you to pieces. I go block.
What's going on here?
Solo now your brother.
Madam, have I not warned you that you should stop disrespecting my elder brother in this house? This is the highest level of disrespect in my house. What's going on? After I didn't even invite you to my house, you're here causing issues, causing chaos, disrespecting and insulting everybody. I won't take that from you. And please, if you know you are tired, pack your things and get out of my house.
Nah lie. Not be solo they talk. Solo. First, you did not even ask what happened. You don't come and stand from nowhere. You join your brother. They beat.
Nah lie.
Solo. When family say they not go agree make you marry my younger sister, it's your man. When family turn back against you, now they carry chest come back, boy. Say, "Mona, leave this boy." Now fat with big belly, now he gets. He acts good. Solo now you dey join your brother. They beat me. You no ask question.
See, let me tell you, this should be the first and last you ever disrespect my brothers in my house. When you are ready, pack your things and leave.
Solo.
Yara, leave this man alone.
Solo.
Leave this house, leave this house. Leave this house, leave this house.
Efe, Chamike, I beg, bring water for me. Uncle, for this family, after Oshuko, na me, and I still get 2 when I senior. See last month, Solo there, you know, say now me go put water for you. See me go put water. Solo go put water for you.
Hey, shut up your mouth! Uncle, I said shut up your mouth! You the Chris? You see me can send Solomon message. Then they send breadwinner message. He get the responsibility where you dey take for this house. You just say I know here how the berry I take go. I dey here and I witness everything. I know say na Solomon na him chest the bill. Anything wey they say me bring, if they bring a come aside. You just stand there as a senior brother. You know they do anything. You don't reach seniority now. Your bring go just stand. But to take responsibility, well, nothing you dey do. Assistant don't go bring water for me. Uncle, there's no need for all this stress. You know you just came in, so you don't have to be stressing yourself. Let me get you the water to drink. Solomon, sit down! If you go get me this water, you get mad! If you say you stubborn, now me stubborn pass you. Ask your late father. Now we they do stubbornness, national ramp, but then they coming from village. Come bring water for me!
I get water.
No, tell me, see, brother, I know the lack of this kind of thing. Efe, see, uncle, you don't show say you can't sit, you can't beg money. You can't beg her money because you know every money you can't beg. You know the selector you want send message.
If you say I can't beg money, your junior brother say I can't beg money for you. As I can't see my children, I'm bad thing I do. Solomon, if you say I can't beg all the money, I go village, go tell them. I'm not going inside again. This guy, he don't know what they call me for village. He don't know the things what I don't do. He don't
My friend, thank you so much.
Summation.
You don't know what you've done for me. If not for you, I don't know where I would have been by now. Thank you.
What are friends for? If I'm not there for you, who will?
You are truly a friend indeed.
So tell me, how have everything been?
Things are going very well. I made use of your advice and it's really working out for me.
You see? I can never lead you astray. I'm doing the right thing for you, my friend.
Thank you.
But don't fall my hand, though.
Don't
Don't forget, don't fall my hand, though.
Sam, that your hand go fall, useless woman. Sit down so you don't fall this ground finish. So you come out from your house, come the advice married woman on how to thief the husband and go establish herself, Abi. Madam, get up and leave this house now.
Something is wrong with you, Nus. You must be mad. Like, how dare you? I'm having a private discussion with my friend and you just badging. What mannerless behavior is that? When did that one start in this house? See, it's becoming too much of you. Avoid me in this house.
They say you don't get sense. You just dey sit down. Who know anything about marriage? Sit to the advice and you dey listen to her.
Easy. You twats, or whatever they call you.
No, they spit on my face.
You should have it as a privilege that you are even standing in front of me, breathing the same air like I do. How dare you? Like, I don't understand. If not because of my friends, who the hell do you think you are?
Na this kind useless life you dey live wey make you husband you no see, pikin you no get. You come person house, wan come spoil a peaceful home. Carry this bag and get out.
I will leave, but just know that this is just the beginning. Because you useless brothers that has refused to let my friend have peace in her marriage. Jobless, useless brothers. You cannot even let her have a moment of peace in this house. Yet you are standing in front of me, opening that mouth to talk to me anyhow. No problem. This is just the beginning. Please. No. In your life, no, don't ever try this again.
Shall say you be fool. Shall say sense you no get. Shall say you dey dumb. You wey be married woman. Na they do friend with single woman wey no see husband. They take advice from her. See nobody don't get sense or ruin. Make Bra come back first. Imome, Wado. Lagos. I must confess that since I came to your house, I have been well taken care of. I can imagine if your father, my late brother, was here, you know, the care you guys would have been giving me. It's all right. It's okay. You know, the reason why I came to see you guys is to let you guys know that your father, my late brother, borrowed some particular amount of money from me. Huge money. And he used the property, the 50 by 100, close to this land, as a collateral. That if he paid the money, I will give him back the land. But obviously, he is no more. And he couldn't pay back the money. So the property, they automatically belongs to me. So I am here to possess it. By next week, I'll bring workers to start building. I will put fence there so that I can start erecting my own property.
I got the advice from a madman.
But mind you, I can't do that without letting you, my children, know because of how much I love you guys.
Uncle, you lie! You lie! Can you hear yourself speak? Can you even hear what you are saying? As soon as you are, you want to come and steal what does not belong to you. My property!
I first talk and say, the way you take the every small thing you don't bust cry. I don't see that crocodile tears those things be. Papa borrow money from you and none of us there are aware. Uncle, where the proof to show some Papa borrow money from you?
What are you saying?
Now the first day when you come here, now I tell no say something dey fishy. Your spirit no fair and my spirit no fair match your spirit. That from the one when you come here. I know something. You get money. Say my Papa borrow money. You get money when they borrow. If I ask my Papa borrow money for your hand, you no see the land property when they village they borrow the money. Now the one when they sitting when live for pikin, they want to borrow money for your hand. Uncle, me can't one woman. I will tear your hair. See that they beat that down.
Uncle Megosa. Thank you, Solomon, my son. He wants to say something reasonable.
Uncle, right now, you have overstayed your welcome.